If you're a student, you're likely sitting on a pile of valuable assets, your handwritten notes. We're going to take those pages and turn them into a cleanly bound workbook that can be sold as a professional product. By following this process, you will set up a live online storefront for a physical book without having to print, pack, or ship a single order yourself. To build this, you need 4 things: your smartphone, your existing study notes, a free Canva account, and a free Printify account. Before you start, check your university's specific guidelines regarding the sale of course-related materials. Policies on intellectual property vary by institution, so verify yours before proceeding. Managing physical inventory is a major time commitment for a full-time student. Automating the logistics allows the shop to run in the background, so your income doesn't depend on how many hours you have free between classes. The first step is moving your notes from paper to a high-resolution digital format. Use a scanning app like CamScanner. Place your pages in a well-lit area and capture the photos so the app crops tightly to the document edges, ensuring the final scan is clean and borderless. A common mistake is leaving the app's default watermark at the bottom of your pages. It's worth the small, one-time fee to remove that watermark. Professionalism drives sales. Removing digital clutter from your scans ensures that your notes look like a curated study aid rather than casual photos. Once your notes are digital, they are easy to copy. You should add a layer of identification to discourage unauthorized redistribution and associate the work with your brand. Import your cleaned PDF scans into a design tool like Canva or Procreate. Create a new text layer in the middle of the page and type out your name or the name of your brand. Rotate that text diagonally across the entire page, expand it, and lower the opacity until it is faint. This creates a watermark that's difficult to crop out without ruining the readability of the text. It ensures your brand remains visible, even if the file is shared beyond the original buyer. To turn these files into physical books, we use a print-on-demand workflow. This framework removes the need for storage space or upfront capital. In a traditional business, you pay to manufacture products before you sell them. With print-on-demand, orders are fulfilled only after a customer pays you. The printer handles the production and ships the item directly to the student. Head to Printify and create a free account to browse their catalog of products. Select a Scutterall notebook or workbook template that matches the layout of your study notes. Upload your watermarked interior pages and use the platform's designer to create a simple, professional cover. Once you finalize the upload, you've successfully outsourced the manufacturing and logistics to a third party. Now, use the built-in integration to sync your product with an active Etsy storefront. Having a live listing is just the start. To get your first few sales, you should leverage your existing connections rather than waiting for search traffic. Reach out to classmates who are currently studying for the same exams, or join Facebook study groups and offer to answer questions in exchange for a link to your guides. You can use a pre-written template like this to reach out to peers, keeping the conversation helpful and direct. If you're promoting in a community group, always ask the administrator for permission before posting any links to avoid being flagged as spam. Direct outreach is what converts a new listing into a revenue-generating asset. This process began with a disorganized stack of loose paper and ended with a live professional store listing. As your volume of sales increases, you can choose to optimize your profits. Printify Premium costs $29 a month, but it lowers the base cost of every book you sell. If you're moving enough units, that lower cost significantly increases the profit you keep from every order. By combining digital organization with on-demand logistics, you've built a system that generates revenue independently of your time. This lets you focus on your degree while your notes work for you.